I'm James O'Brien, and this is the banded hamstring stretch. So to do this exercise, you'll need either some type of mobility band or just long resistance band. Normally, this band wouldn't be down at this angle like this, although this does work okay if you were to attach to a couch. But some type of something that is typically at the height of your foot does work a little bit better. But for this video, I have it set up like this. So what you'll do is you'll wrap it around right about where your ankle is. And the band, as you can see, is now pulling me backwards like this to generate a hamstring stretch. The nice thing about this is I can go in and out. As I push down, that contracts my hamstring. And then as it lifts me back up, it stretches it. I can help it by actually actively trying to take my thigh towards me like this. All right, so I'm actually helping it there, and then I can just go back and forth like this. All right, so this is slightly strengthening the hamstring, but it's definitely lengthening it, and it's training me how to use my hamstring in a lengthened range. I could just stay there for 2 minutes and make it into a passive stretch, or keep it the dynamic stretch by going in and out like this. To add a little bit of variety, if I want to stretch my outer hamstring, what I can do is I can take it and I can come across my body like this. I feel a nice stretch on my outer hamstring. If I want to stretch my inner hamstring, I can come down to the side like this. Now that's stretching more my inner hamstring. I could just windmill and go in and out of that. All right. Again, it's just that variety is great to really enhance the flexibility, and it's just educating my body on how to control these newfound ranges of motion. Another option would be to internally rotate the hip. As I internally rotate, you see how as I bring my foot inward here, that will stretch my outer hamstring, and then I could externally rotate my foot, and that'll stretch a little bit more of the inner hamstring. So you can add lots of variety to this to make it dynamic, just straight passive, in and out, rotating in, rotating out, whatever. I would say do this for about, however you do it, about 2 to 3 minutes total. So you got tons of options here with the banded hamstring stretch. It's a little bit of a tedious setup, but once you get into position, you can really give yourself a nice healthy stretch. That is the banded hamstring stretch.